Alright guys, so it's another day, another review, and today in front of us we have this another motorcycle. It's called the Sinoray Smash. It has about 110cc, and this motorcycle model is the Sinoray SR110 Smash. It has about just 110cc. The car is ready, just as you can see. Now this motorcycle we just picked up right now and it's brand new. We expected to send it to Ruvuma, which is another region in Tanzania, for one of a friend of ours. So with that said, let us start to see a review. So first of all, let us see about the price of the motorcycle. The price of the motorcycle is about 1,010 USD, which is about milioni mbili na laki moja fedha ya Tanzania. And the motorcycle comes with a few things which are like a package of it. The first one you can see in front of here. When you take this motorcycle, first of all, it comes with two keys, which are this. The first one and the second one for ignition. And it comes with, you are given extra oil for changing, but there are still on the engine there is some oil, but you have to drive it for a few kilometers before changing the new one. Apart from that, you are given this coat, which is like extra, and you are given the helmet of it. So first of all, let us see the helmet and then we will proceed with the other stuff. So for the helmet, this is how it looks. It has this clean visor. On the top here, it has this air vent. It has the air vent on the top here. This one just pops open. It has this open air vent. So for the motorcycle specs, first of all, this motorcycle is equipped with this scooter-like engine, which has about 110cc. This motorcycle is automatic one, which means it has no clutch at all. It has no clutch. On this side handlebars, it has no clutch. It just has this front brake, and whereby the front brake is hydraulic. So first of all, that's the general review. And for the gears, it has about 4 numbers of gears. It has the 4 numbers. It has the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth. It has side indicators, fuel gauge indicator, low beam and high beam indicator. It has a speedometer indicator and a kilometer as well, but it doesn't have any RPM indicator. On the left side, it has this. On the right. First of all, on the right, it has this electric starter, but also it has a kick starter. It has a left and right indicator for the light control. This one is the light cluster. This is the light and the left indicator. This is a choke. So if you wake up in the morning and then you find like it's too low, this is the choke. Whereby you can use this one, that one. It has a horn. It has a low and high beam cluster. So let us see the tires on the back there. That's the tire in front. That's the tire in front, and that's how it looks in general perspective. Okay, so let us see other technical stuff. So first of all, let us see how braking system works. So this motorcycle is equipped with 2 braking systems. On the rear, it has this drum brake. It has on the rear, it has a drum brake. If you can see this one, which is just operated by pressing this brake lever on the rear. And then in front, it has this hydraulic brake pads. It has a hydraulic brake pads which start on the top here. and it uses DOT4 brake fluid. Let me see. Yes, yeah, there is hydraulic in there. And right now, if you see in front of here, you will see as if there is no there is no side mirrors. But side mirrors are included, but we kept them on the container here on the storage because we wanted to transport this one. So to avoid them to be broken, we had to take them out and then put them in here, which I will show you in a little bit, and then it will be ready for. So that's the braking system in front. As you can see, it has a brake disc, which is hydraulic operated, and the seating capacity just it takes 2 people. The first person can sit up to this position, the second person up to this person this side, and these are the pegs for rear person resting. Those are for the rider, for the driver. And on top here, you can hook any luggage here, but it has a maximum of about only 5 kilograms. So if we want to attach something on the back here, it is not supposed to exceed 5 kilograms. So that's the few instructions which comes with the motorcycle. Apart from that, there is a small luggage compartment. You can put your things here. Let me take this one out. You see here, so if you have some small luggages, you can strap them here. That's the luggage compartment. You can strap small luggages in there. And then, as I said before, this motorcycle, it has some storage still in here. Let us have a look at it. You just take the key here. And then you pop it open. So the fuel tank comes in here, and the small luggage compartment is just right here. So from the position of luggage compartment, you will see there are a few things. First of all, there is a battery, but also there is this, I just put this side mirrors, and then there is it comes with user manual how to operate this motorcycle. So far I won't review this one because I know how to ride a motorcycle, so I won't review this one. Apart from that, it comes with this mobile phone charger. So if you are going somewhere and then you find your phone is a little bit low, you just plug in your USB here. You plug in your USB, and then as you keep riding, your phone will keep charging. So some of people may want to modify this one. You can modify by inserting on the side, whatever side you want, but here I think is the safest position so far. And it has a controller inside which takes 12 volts with a maximum of about 1.5 to 3.1 or not to 2.1 milliampere. That's the current it takes. Apart from that, this motorcycle, it comes with this spare kit or tools for use. And I'm gonna open this one so you guys can see what is inside. I'm gonna put back the manual, side mirrors, and this is the toolbox it comes with. There are a few spanners which they think they are essential and useful for you to use. Okay, there are 3 of them. So this one is 15 millimeter and 15 and 13 millimeter, and we have this plug spanner. The plug spanner is going to be direct used to the engine position, just on the back there. And we have this small like pliers, not so strong, but I think it will be useful when needed. So that's how it looks when I've just opened it. And for the fuel capacity, it has about 5 liter. The tank is about 5 liter. So far, I haven't tested this motorcycle, how far it will take me for 1 liter. But I think it will be going over 60 kilometers, up to 65 kilometers for a single liter. So far, so good. On the rear, it has some information on how to operate the chain kit and how to shift the gears. So first of all, I'm gonna close this one. First off, close this one, which is like a storage compartment. All right. Okay, so now let us see. So there are few instructions on the back there. It says that you have to. It has some information for tire adjustment, front pressure, just as you can see. So as always, for safety purposes, before taking this motorcycle for a ride, make sure it is well lubricated. Make sure the tire pressure are correct. Make sure the tail tension are well set up before going for use. And on how to shift the gears, it has some marks of indication. Okay, okay. As I said before, so this motorcycle, as I said before, it is automatic. It's automatic. So being automatic doesn't mean it doesn't have a clutch. It has a clutch, but these are the few operations. So it will be on manual. If you place down, which will be like this one, if you place down, it will go to number 1, number 2, number 3, up to number 4. If you want to downshift, you can use like this side or this way, or you can place on the back. And always when you want to shift, if you want to downshift or to upshift, you have to reduce the speed of the motorcycle, which means you have to reduce the throttle of the motorcycle or the revolution of the motorcycle. That's how it looks from the shifting perspective. And not so much to review for this motorcycle. I wish if I had this motorcycle for quite some times, maybe I could take a few rides together and you guys can see how this motorcycle operates. But so far so good. It needs to be transported. So this is going to mark the end of this review. And if you want to get this motorcycle from our zone, they are so available. Not so powerful motorcycle, but it's still useful in different style of motorcycle. And I'm pretty sure it works so effectively on the area whereby it is a little bit like a cold like. That's how it is. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you for this little review together. I hope maybe we'll see each other on another time with another content apart from this one. So that's all for today, guys.